Right, back to it. So, gonna be getting all this rust out, or majority of it. Gonna be getting there, getting all that out. Then hitting it with some rust stuff. Rust tough. Yeah. So the plan is to get all the rust out, hit it with that. On the bottom in here, you know, all the spots that have rust, like in there and stuff, that I'm gonna have to just change. All that needs to get hit. Some stuff up there. This I'm actually not gonna do anything to, because to be honest, this is under the dash, so I don't really care. Even though I know like this is gonna be under the carpet, I'd rather do this and know I did this than have to deal with that. So fuck it. Let's see. What else? Yeah, pretty much that's it. In the trunk, clean that out, get everything set up. I'm gonna be spray painting the interior all black. All the interior pieces, like the dash, the headliner, some of the other little pieces for the interior. Everything's gonna go black on the inside and then gray on the outside. Should be, it's not good, but it should be 30 pounds, I think, or close to it, of dry ice. And I'm about to take that, put it down here to get the sound deadening out. First, I want to clean a little bit. Like, I kind of want to just yank this, but I don't want to break it or the wires, because that's the hood latch and that's the OBD leader. So I don't know what I'm gonna exactly do here. Let me get this screw. Most likely I'm gonna just what's you call it? I'm gonna just wing it, honestly. Hopefully none of that gets messed up. And yeah, screw it, let's do it. That'll work. The water splashed on. Go get the camera quick.
Oh, I forgot about that shit.
Yeah, I did too low key.
It's still recording, 10 minutes.
Yeah, but like, bring it over. I want to show them.
All right, people of the interwebs, we are back with the car. We got the
interwebs.
You got the dry ice, the tic-tac-toe dry ice.
Taking out the sound deadening.
He kind of dented the car so far. Well, you know, it's a process.
I don't even know about that.
Let me show the back real quick. All right, this is the back. This is what we did in the beginning. And this is what it looks like so far. We're making good time.
Good progress.
Yeah, hella niggas just walking around.
It's a neighborhood, man.
Yeah, full of kids. Oh, there's no more dry ice. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
That's what I'm saying. I hope, like,
work. All right, we're gonna push you back over here.
All right. Dry ice has been sitting for a little bit. Give it a little more time. Then go back to trying to get the rust out with that, and then hit it with that. See how it changes it, see what it looks like. Look at this. But yeah, hopefully this cleans up pretty nice.